So you are welcome to this crypto trading course. This is going to be a course that will take you from being a newbie until you gain mastery in cryptocurrency trading. My name is Ojeni Ayobami. I have been trading cryptocurrency for over 5 years now, and I am a full-time crypto trader. So today, I want to show you the highlight of what you're going to be learning in this course, okay? So real quick, you will learn more about cryptocurrency, then what is Bitcoin, what is alternative currencies. Alternative currencies are the ones that you can also trade aside the Bitcoin. How do you store your cryptocurrency to avoid it from getting stolen? Because your crypto is your money. So you don't want that money to get lost in any sense. So how are you going to send and receive your coin or token? Then there's going to be an introduction to trading. I will teach you how to open your first trading account, ways to fund your accounts, how you can easily deposit and withdraw your money without losing it in any way. Then how does these things work? I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know about the Binance platform, whether the mobile app or the website. Then there's going to be an overview, okay, the Binance selling and how you can start trading like a professional trader. But before you become a pro trader, you need to have an understanding of how to conduct a fundamental analysis. Okay, so we'll be looking at the aspect of coin utility, understanding. Okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I want to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys. Who is the backers behind them? How you can dig more into that, the community and tokemetrics, where it is listed, news and events. These are things that you need to know, in order to be able to conduct a viable fundamental analysis. Then we'll be getting to technical, how to spot the right support point and resistance, the Fibonacci retracements, how you can use this, how you can use your MA, RSI indicators, the candlesticks, and also Kagi charts. Kagi chart is also a very powerful tool that you need to have as a trader in order to make profit from this market. Then I'll be going to futures trading. There is a difference between sports and futures trading. There is more money to be made in futures trading. That is if you understand it correctly. So we'll be talking about leverage, the funding rates, how this may affect your trading decision, liquidation, short and long, cross margin, isolated margin. These are things that I'm going to teach you in this course, okay? So how do you manage your accounts? How do you become the risk manager of your own accounts? Okay. So if you have a smaller account, there is a way you can manage it effectively. Also the medium and the big accounts. Then I'm going to be giving you free resources. You'll be getting a book I call The Ultimate Candlesticks Bible, and Interpretations. Okay. So this is going to be available for you for free. And I've been using this book for about 6 years now, to be precise. And so far, it's been an awesome book and also documents. I printed it and I have the hard copy with me everywhere I go. So also, I'm going to be giving you a blueprint on fundamental analysis. I've created this from a video that you can watch, and learn about it. So I'll be giving all these things for free in this course, okay? So also you'll be having access to a lifetime mentorship, okay? Anytime you have any question, you can also ask me, whether on Telegram, via my email, I'm going to give that to you, or via WhatsApp. I'll respond to that real quick. So then Profitable Cryptocurrency Trading Bot course, I created a course on how you can automate trading on the sports market and make money from that, because you don't have to be trading 24 hours in a day. So there are ways you can automate it with the crypto trading bots, and people have been using these bots effectively and they are making profits up to now. So, and you'll be having the opportunity to join a valuable support group where there are other similar traders that you can rub mind together and share ideas. Okay, so on a weekly basis, I'm going to be running a live training on Zoom. So if you have taken this course, then automatically you are qualified for this training session I'll be holding weekly to make you a better trader. Okay, so you don't have to waste any of your time. Enroll now and get a lifetime opportunity that can change your financial status within a period of 6 months to 1 year. Okay, so that I can guarantee if you put in the right work and you have the right mindset, okay, you can achieve all of these things. So see you inside the course.